Feminine washes are a special category of products designed specifically for cleaning vaginal area. Okay, means to maintain health and hygiene of the vaginal area, to reduce the unpleasant odor coming from that area, and to maintain the required pH balance of that area. So these are the purposes for which feminine washes are used. But according to the physicians or healthcare professionals, not for all the women this product is necessary. Okay, just by using plain water you can clean your vaginal area. Means I am talking about only external vaginal area. Okay, just by using plain water or just by using warm water with a soft washcloth, you can clean your vaginal area. Okay, not for all the women this product which is sold in the market. Okay, this product means feminine wash. Not for all women this is required. But the purpose of using this is to control the unpleasant odor, means just for unmasking or eliminating the unpleasant odor. Again, during menstruation, after exercise. Okay, so in different cases, they may feel discomfort in that area, means vaginal area. So in that case, this product may be necessary for them. Okay, so different reasons are there. So what are the main ingredients which are used to make this product? First is water. It is used as a solvent. In most of the cases, water is used as the solvent. Then antibacterial agents are there. These are used to reduce bacteria, the growth of bacteria and yeast. Then moisturizers are used to keep that area, means vaginal area, hydrated. That's why moisturizers are used. Surfactants are used to remove dirt and oils present in that area. Again, herbal extracts, those are also used to get soothing properties, soothing effect. Okay, herbal extracts such as chamomile or aloe vera, these are used. So many things are there. Again, fragrances are also used. Okay, to get a pleasant odor or to get fragrance in that area. Okay, so different ingredients are there, but all the ingredients are not good for all the women. Such as the products where there is presence of strong fragrance. Okay, products with strong fragrance may cause irritation in the vaginal area. So in that case, if it is causing problem, if it is causing irritation, or if it is causing dermatitis in that area, then in that case you should avoid this product. Not all the products have the same level of fragrance. Okay, in any case, whatever be the case, whatever be your problem, always you should consult with healthcare providers which product is necessary for you. And accordingly, means according to their prescription, you should use the product, not just by watching YouTube videos. Yes, you are acquiring knowledge by watching YouTube videos. What are the problems, what are the remedies, what are the purposes of using such products? But in a nutshell, I want to say that for all women, this product is not necessary. For all women, all the products are not suitable. Okay. Again, if you have selected a product, okay, you are using a product, but overuse of this product or inappropriate of use this product may cause problem. Such as there may be disruption of vaginal flora. Okay, so many problems may be there if you do not use this product cautiously. Okay, and according to healthcare professionals, you should always use product which does not involve harsh chemicals as the ingredient, which does not involve strong fragrances. Okay, these products are not good for most of the women. Mild surfactants should be there, mild, okay, because this area, it is known to you, this area is highly sensitive, it is highly prone to infection, so you should be cautious when you are selecting the product for your personal use. Okay, anyway, so this was all about the topic feminine washes. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.